Assalamu alaikum students. I hope and pray that you're all fine. I welcome you all to your week 8's geography lesson. Before we proceed towards this week's lesson, let's recall what we have studied in the previous weeks. We studied that volcanism is a process through which magma and hot gases are forced onto the Earth's surface. You studied about the types of volcanism based on their location, that is, underwater volcanism, volcanism at destructive plate boundary, and volcanism at hotspots. You also studied the categories of volcanoes based on their frequency of eruption. You also learnt about the structure of a volcano. Then you studied about the location of volcanoes throughout the world with special focus to volcanoes which are present in our own country. You studied about what types of volcanoes are present in Pakistan and where they are located. And in the previous week you studied that what are the dangers or risks that are involved in living close to a volcano. The main objective and aim of this week's lesson is to make you learn about the advantages and benefits of living near volcanoes. Some key vocabulary terms that you'll come across while reading this week's topic are weathered, cultivation, cassava, geothermal, harnessed, eroded, ruins, archaeological, and mosaic. If you look at the slide, you can see the meanings have been given, so please go through them. In the previous week, you studied about the disadvantages of living near a volcano. And this week, you will be studying about the advantages and benefits of living near volcanoes. And at first, it may seem odd to you that why would somebody choose to live near a volcano? It's dangerous. It poses risk to their lives and property. But if you look at the history and if you look at even present day, people are living near volcanoes. They're living near active volcanoes too. Why? Because they think that these places offer more advantages than disadvantages. So let's look at some of the advantages that these places which are near to volcanoes offer. One of the advantages of living near a volcano is for the farmers because the soil is very rich. It's one of the richest in the world because of the breaking down of volcanic rock and ash. Places like Bali and Java in Indonesia are close to volcanoes. There the soil is very rich, so they grow crops like rice, coffee and tea. They're able to feed a large population. Geothermal energy refers to heat from the earth. This energy is not used directly. Underground water, when it comes in contact with hot rocks, becomes steam. This steam is then used to run turbines and for other purposes. Countries like Iceland have large number of volcanoes. There, they use geothermal energies to run turbines to generate electricity. Two-thirds of the electricity produced in Iceland is made using geothermal energy. They also use it to heat homes and to provide homes with hot water. Magma that rises from inside the earth carries a lot of useful substances. One of those useful substances is sulfur. It is used in making matches, fertilizers, and is also used for refining sugar. These volcanic rocks also carry a lot of metals, for example, tin, gold, and silver. The magma that rises from the earth also brings out a number of gems and precious stones like diamond. Diamond is not only used for making jewelry, it is used also for making industrial tools and is also used in scientific research. Volcanic sites are huge tourist attractions. Large number of people visit these places to see an erupting volcano or to simply enjoy the activities these places offer like hiking, skiing, and bathing in hot water springs. These sites are usually rich in history too, like the town of Pompeii in Italy. Tourism also creates jobs in shops, restaurants, hotels, and tourist center, indirectly boosting the local economy. Now it's time for a brief recap of this week's lesson. This week we have studied the benefits of living near volcanoes. We have learned that the areas around volcanoes have fertile soil which is suitable for growing crops. We have also come to know that geothermal energy, that is the energy from inside the earth, can be used to run turbines, to heat homes, and to provide homes with hot water. We have also come to know that magma that is erupted by a volcano carries a lot of useful substances like sulfur, metal, and precious stones. These volcanic sites are also huge tourist attractions. Tourism creates jobs in hotel and restaurant industry, which boosts the local economy. Now we have reached the end of the lesson. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.